Gen Z can't cook? Let's fix that. Hi dear, welcome to our channel, and if this is your first time, we are glad to have you. Please do us a favor by clicking the like button and subscribe for more videos when they are posted. So, let's get into it. Kitchen Confidential Gen Z and the art of the takeout. Let's face it, Gen Z, we've all been there. Scrolling through endless food delivery apps. Debating between pizza, pad thai, or maybe tacos. It's easy, it's fast, and it requires zero actual cooking. The result? Many young people today haven't quite mastered the art of basic cooking. And hey, no judgment here. Tell us what you think with your comment in the comment section. We live in a world where everything is available at our fingertips. But this lack of kitchen confidence goes beyond just not knowing how to boil an egg or grill a steak. It's about feeling intimidated by the process, overwhelmed by the perceived complexity of recipes and unsure of where to even begin. The good news is, it doesn't have to be this way. The convenience trap. Why cooking seems so extra? Let's be real, life is busy. Between juggling school, work, social lives, and everything in between, who has time to chop vegetables and simmer sauces? Convenience foods, from microwave meals to prepackaged snacks, offer a tempting solution. Food delivery apps have become our go-to for anything from a quick lunch to a late-night craving. This reliance on convenience, while understandable, comes at a cost. Not just financially, but also in terms of our health and our connection to the food we eat. When we cook, we control the ingredients, the portions, and the flavors. It's an act of self-care and creativity. Culinary Curiosity, Gen Z's secret ingredient. Here's the thing, Gen Z is actually incredibly curious about food. You're adventurous eaters, constantly seeking out new flavors and experiences. You're not afraid to experiment with different cuisines and ingredients. This open-mindedness is a fantastic foundation for developing a love for cooking. Think of cooking as an extension of your desire to explore. It's about taking those exciting flavors you love from restaurants and recreating them in your own kitchen. It's about putting your own spin on classic dishes and impressing your friends and yourself with your newfound culinary skills. Section 4, Leveling Up, Life Skills, one recipe at a time. Learning to cook is about so much more than just feeding yourself. It's about gaining valuable life skills, from budgeting and meal planning to problem solving and time management. It's about building confidence in the kitchen and beyond. Imagine the satisfaction of whipping up a delicious meal from scratch, the sense of accomplishment when you nail a recipe, the joy of sharing your culinary creations with loved ones. These are experiences that go beyond the plate, fostering a sense of independence and self-sufficiency. Section 5. Getting your hands dirty, embracing the delicious chaos. So, how do you go from takeout aficionado to confident home cook? Start small. Choose simple recipes with minimal ingredients and straightforward instructions. Don't be afraid to experiment. And most importantly, have fun with it. Here's a quick recipe to get you started. Pasta, aglio e olio, or garlic and oil pasta. Ingredients: half a pound of spaghetti, a quarter cup of olive oil, 4 cloves of garlic, minced, a quarter teaspoon of red pepper flakes, salt and black pepper to taste, and fresh parsley chopped for garnish. Instructions: 1. Cook pasta according to package directions. 2. While pasta is cooking, heat olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. 3. Add garlic and red pepper flakes and cook until fragrant, about 1 minute. 4. Season with salt and black pepper. 5. Drain pasta and add to skillet with garlic oil. 6. Toss to combine. 7. Serve immediately, garnished with parsley. Cooking is a journey, not a race. Embrace the process, learn from your mistakes, and celebrate your victories. Before you know it, you'll be whipping up culinary masterpieces and wondering why you ever relied on takeout. Thanks for watching.